In this APA moment, we'll explore how to create a reference and a citation for a journal article with one author. With references, we'll start with the author's name, last name, comma, then list the initials for the first name and all of the author's middle names. In this case, the author has two middle names. Put a period and space after all initials. Secondly, we'll add a date. With journal articles or publications, the year would normally be followed by a comma, space, and the month or a season. If there are specific days of the month that are noted, these will follow the month's name. The date will be in parentheses followed by a period after the closing parenthesis. Next, the title of the article. Only capitalize the first letter of the first word, all proper nouns, and the first letter of the word following a colon. The title of the article is not italicized, but it is followed by a period and a space. The journal's name is italicized, and the first letter of the first word, any noun, and any verb in the title is capitalized. Smaller words such as the articles a, an, or the, pronouns, or prepositions are not capitalized. Follow the name of the journal with a comma, and then a space, and the volume number. The volume number is also italicized. Immediately following the volume number, the issue number is in parentheses and is not italicized. Put a comma after the closing parenthesis, followed by a space, and then the page numbers with a period. Follow this with a hyperlink of the DOI, the Digital Object Identifier, with no period after the link. As far as citations are concerned, with a paraphrase, you can put attribution at the beginning of a sentence by using the author's last name, followed by the year in parentheses, and then the text. You can also place the attribution after the sentence. However, do not put a period after the sentence. Follow the sentence with an opening parenthesis, the author's name, comma, and the year, closing parenthesis, and then a period. Direct quotes can be formatted in two ways. You can put the attribution prior to the quote with the author's name and year in parentheses, followed by an appropriate verb, comma, and the quotation within quotation marks, but no period. Following the closing quotation mark, add a space and an opening parenthesis, followed by a lowercase p, period, space, page number, closing parenthesis, and a period. For multiple pages, use PP period, and the page numbers with a range such as 140-141, closing parenthesis, and a period. To put the attribution after the quote, have the quotation within quotation marks, but no period, followed by an open parentheses, the author's last name, comma, space, year, comma, space, followed by a lowercase p, period, space, and the page number, closing parenthesis, and the period. I hope you've learned something from this APA moment.